Smart audio glasses are kind of a new product, but this is the way we're going in the world now. We are sort of leaning towards more wearable, smart technology in the world, and I'm really excited about where we're going. Sangstre are a company that are leading the way with audio glasses, along with companies like Rocket. They're really honing down the design of these frames to actually fit the batteries in, the actual components, the speakers, the microphones, and they're the ones that are sort of carving the path in front of us for other companies to come in and join the party. But Sangstre, really fantastic company, and these smart glasses are something else. They really are. They come nicely packaged. The case itself charges the glasses, which is the downside. We'll touch on it straight away. If you lose this case, then you can't charge the glasses. Now, that is a downside, opposed to having glasses that have got magnetic charging points here, so we can plug them in, charge them with a separate wire. You can probably hear that they've connected straight away. I've connected them to my iPhone. They connect via Bluetooth, and they look like normal sunglasses. It's a bit of a weird one. I mean, it takes some getting used to. They look pretty cool, I think. They just look like my Ray-Ban Justins that I wear on a regular basis. Very comfortable to wear and not extra weight compared to normal sunglasses. They look, if you didn't know, you probably wouldn't know that they're audio glasses, but they've got some really cool technology built in. One is being a speaker, so you can listen to music on the go whilst you're out and about, and that comes with an advantage where they're a lot safer than having earbuds in your ears. You can listen to music while still hearing the surrounding environment. Now, we've not only got speakers, you can use these for phone calls. They've got built-in microphone as well, and this is a microphone test with the built-in microphone. So this is the audio microphone quality from the glasses. I'm recording this in OBS, no video, but just recording the voice from the glasses. So what does it sound like? This is what anybody would hear when you're making a phone call with these connected to the phone. And yeah, the audio quality, I think, is pretty decent considering these things are on your head. You're wearing sunglasses and you're using a microphone. Really incredible. So you can use these for phone calls and hear the conversation through the speakers. The only downside to that is that other people can hear your conversation. If you're not too fussed about that, like the kids these days walking around talking to people on speakerphone, then these sunglasses are perfect for you. So they work very well. The speakers are quite good. They're not absolutely fantastic, but they're good enough to listen to music. The microphone quality is pretty good. There was a little bit of crackling, but I think that's down to more of me connecting to the PC to record the audio through OBS rather than the audio crackling from these microphones built in. Yeah, very nice. Like I said, if you didn't know there weren't sunglasses, you wouldn't know. They're small, they're thin, they charge very well. Another thing to note is when you put them into the case, they only sort of fold in one way. You have to get the arms in the right orientation to have them charge in the case. The case charges by USB-C, which is great. There's a little button there and a LED there to let you know they're charging or when they're running out of battery. It's a nice leather case, feels well made, and overall I've just been really impressed with them. It's a new technology, it's a new path for companies, and interesting. I like the fact you've got a backup if your earbuds die, for instance, and you've got these in your bag. You can still make phone calls, you can still listen to music, and that is a great option. They're not overly expensive either. I will leave a link in the description down below if you want to go and grab yourself a pair. And if you want to start the revolution of audio glasses and be one of the first adapters of this technology, then jump on the bandwagon. Really like them. Those are the Sangstre smart audio glasses. Go and show them some love. But that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.